We will see how to fix the Crosley record player would not spin, motor and belt fix tutorial. So fix 1, check the power supply. Try plugging the adapter into a different outlet to rule out a power issue. If your Crosley has power indicator light, confirm that it turns on when the unit is powered. If the player shows no signal off, inspect the adapter for damage. Use the correct Crosley compatible power supply. Fix 2, move the tone arm correctly. So release the tone arm from the locking clip, then gently move the tone arm towards the center of the plater as if you are about to play a record. Now listen for a small click from the internal switch, and if the plater begins rotating, the issue was simply that the motor activate switch had not been engaged. Fix 3, inspect the driver belt. So remove the rubber plater mat. Carefully lift the plater off the center cylinder. Then locate the rubber belt underneath the plater. Now check whether the belt has slipped off the motor pulley or has become twisted. Now if the belt is loose, reconnect it around the plater and motor pulley and replace the belt if it appears cracked, stretched, sticky or broken. Fix 4, reinstall the belt properly. So place the belt around the inner rim of the plater. Ensure the belt sits evenly without twist. Use the excess opening in the plater to pull the belt towards the motor pulley and lower the plater back onto the spindle. Then rotate the plater by hand several times to help the belt settle into the correct position. Now once installed correctly, test the record player again. Fix 5, check whether the motor is running. So turn the player on and move the tone arm into the placed position. Now listen carefully near the plater area as a soft humming sound usually indicate the motor is operating. If the motor runs but the plater remains still, the belt is likely disconnected, stretched or broken. If there is no sound or vibration from the motor, further motor troubleshooting is required. Fix 6, clean the motor pulley and belt path. So dust and traps can reduce the grip between the belt and motor pulley. Unplug the record player before cleaning. Remove the plater and inspect the pulley. And then use a soft, lint-free cloth to clean the motor pulley and plater rim. Then remove any dust, dirt or residue from the belt path. And reassemble the turntable and test playback. Now the fix 7, lubricate the center spindle. So remove the plater, apply a small drop of lightweight machine oil to the center spindle bearing, rotate the spindle by hand several times, reinstall the plater and check whether it's spinning freely. Now the fix 8, check for a fault motor. If the belt is correctly installed and the motor does not run, the motor itself may have failed. So listen for any humming, vibration or movement when the tone arm is activated. So inspect visible motor wiring from loose connection if you are comfortable opening the unit. If the motor remains completely inactive, it may require a professional repair or replacement. Now the fix 9, contact Crosley support. So if none of the above solution restore plater movement, the issue may invoke the motor control circuitry and internal wiring. Then you can gather your model number and purchase information before contacting support. Now open the Crosley support can help with replacement part, warranty services and advanced troubleshooting. Goodbye.